Good morning, students. The attendance has been captured. I'm sharing my screen. So Navodaya 2010 paper we are discussing today. So first we'll start with mental ability test. Section A, mental ability test. Part 1. So the directions for question number 1 to 10. There are 3 problem figures and the space for the fourth figure is left blank. The problem figures are in a series. Find out one figure from among the answer figures given and which occupies the blank space for the fourth figure to complete the series. So this is a series completion question. So we need to identify the pattern followed, and using that pattern we have to fill the fourth place. In each successive figure, one line increases. So the answer figure must have 3 lines. So in the first figure, 0 lines. There are no lines here. There are no lines here. And in the second figure, there is 1 line. And in the third figure, there are 2 lines. So we expect 3 lines in the question mark blank. So the 3 lines are available in option C. Now the second one. In each successive figure, one line is joining with the last figure. So the answer figure must be C. So you can see in the first figure, 2 lines are there. We can say line segments 1 and 2. So what happened? Next figure, one line joined, and next figure, one line joined. So we expect one line to join, and the correct answer will be C. In the same pattern, one line should join. So it is C. So any doubts in these two can raise a hand. Otherwise, we'll move to the next set of questions. Yeah, very simple questions. Shivansh, what is your doubt?
Sir, can you zoom it?
Okay, ma'am. Is it okay, Shivansh?
Okay, sir.
Sisira, why did you raise a hand? Sisira?
Sir,
Yes, why did you raise a hand?
sir, second అర్థం కాలే.
Speak in English.
Sir, second one I don't understand.
So every time one line is increasing, right? In the first figure, there are 2 lines. And in the second figure, one line added. So see here, 1, 2, 2 lines are there. In the second figure, one line extra line added. And second to third, what happened? 1, 2, 3 extra line came. So extra line should be added and it is available in option C, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Adit, what is your doubt? Adit?
Sir, by mistake.
Okay. We'll go with the next set of questions. Okay, third one. Observe the figures. The small circle is rotating in clockwise direction while the line joining the intersecting point of the diagonals to the side of the square and line joining the two diagonals at any point other than the intersecting point are moving in anti-clockwise direction. So the answer figure C is the correct answer. So I hope you understood. I repeat again, the small circle is rotating in clockwise direction. So you can see the small circle. So this it is here, next it is here, next it is here. So you can see the clockwise rotation of the circle. So in the next place, it should be in the west direction. So in the west direction, the circle, I'm sorry, is already in the west direction. So it will be in the north direction. So either C or D will give the correct answer by looking at the circle. Let's look at the other part also. The line joining the intersecting point of the diagonals to the side of the square and the line joining the diagonals at any point other than the intersecting point are moving in anti-clockwise direction. So the circle is moving in clockwise direction and the other two lines are moving in anti-clockwise direction. So you can see this line is moving like this. That means it is going in anti-clockwise direction. What is the new position of this line? Towards the east. See, this is the correct position of that line. And next, the other line, this one. So 1, 2, 3. So this is also going in anti-clockwise direction. So next figure, it should be in the west direction. So all of them are correctly matched in option C. C is the correct answer. Let's look at fourth one. The small circle and arrow in the problem figure at first moves two places ahead in clockwise direction and then one place further to reach the third stage. So at the last stage, the circle and the arrow will move one place more to attain the answer figure C. So you can see the small circle and the arrow in the problem figure. At first, two places ahead in the clockwise direction. So you can see clockwise direction, two steps, the circle. One step, second step, it went here. So from second to third, what happened? It moved one step in clockwise. Okay. So at the last stage, the circle and arrow will move one place more to attain the answer figure C. So here to here one place moved, and in the answer figure we want one place to be moved again. So when it moves here, so what are you going to get? So this is the correct position. This is the correct position. So B and C may be anyone correct. So A eliminated and D eliminated. Okay. Now let us look at the arrow mark. So from here to here, it moved two steps clockwise direction. Now from here to here, it moved one step clockwise direction. So we expect it to move one step clockwise direction. So the B is eliminated now. Option C is correct. Okay. Next fifth one. Look at the fifth question. In problem figures, empty circle and the blackened circle are moving in clockwise direction. So B will be the answer figure. So both are moving in the clockwise direction. See, this is darkened circle. It is moving one step clockwise direction. So this is a new position. And from here it is moving one step clockwise direction. This is a new position. So from here we are moving it again clockwise direction. We will go to the south direction. So in south direction we have B and D. So A eliminated, C eliminated, B may be correct or D may be correct. Let us look at the open circle which is not darkened. So from north it went to east, from east it went to south, from south the new position will be west. So in which option it is in west direction? Option B. So D is eliminated, only one is remaining, that is option B correct. Next figure, sixth one. Look at this. In problem figures, a small line is increasing by 1 in subsequent figures. So D will be the correct answer. So a small line is increasing. So you can see, you compare this figure and this figure. What is the difference? This is the only difference. That means one small line increased. And from here to here, the next step, this is increased. From this figure to this figure, what is the difference? Only this part is increased. So we expect it to increase once again, one small step. Okay, so if it is increasing this one like this, okay, answer D will be the correct answer. So question number 3 to 6, any doubts, you can raise a hand. Aditi? Aditi?
Sir,
Yes.
where I did it, sir. Third one, why didn't the option also D?
You want option to be D. Why D? The circle is moving. Now the circle is in which direction? North, east, west, south.
Sir, not.
This circle is in north direction. Aditi, the circle is in north direction.
Sir,
Is it?
sir, west.
Directions north, east, west, south. The circle is in which direction?
Sir, south.
This circle is in which direction? I'm asking this circle. Look
Sir,
at the
west.
west. Try to imagine the directions here only. So you can draw directions here. North, east, west, south. Now you tell me, where is the circle?
Sir, east.
We are saying all the other directions. East is correct. So from east it went to, from east it went to
South.
south. From south it went to,
West.
next it should go to,
North.
so north is either there in C or D, right?
Yes, sir.
So the circle is moving clockwise. Let us look at this line. Where is this line now?
Sir, south.
Here,
Sir, east.
this one.
North.
Next, what you expect?
Sir, west.
It is there in west only, option C.
Sir, they all. Yes, sir.
Okay. Vilochan. Vilochan. Vilochan, what is your doubt? Vilochan, you are not audible. Chidrupa, what is your doubt? Chidrupa,
Yes, sir.
what is your doubt?
Sir, in fourth question, the key answer D is correct, sir.
Fourth question, they gave D.
Yes, sir.
Let me check. No, ma, that is wrong. C only correct. Any doubt you have in the explanation?
Sir, in key, sir.
Yeah, in key it is D mentioned, but you have any
Yes, sir.
explanation for option D?
Sir,
See, I told you that from first figure to second figure, two steps are changing, right?
yes, sir.
And from second to third, one step is changing, right? Yes. So here, when the change is happened, so it will continue with one step only. So in the explanation part also, it's mentioned one step. So C.
Okay, sir.
So next, Sorish. Sarish, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, fourth one D na.
Fourth one, 2 steps, 1 step, and it will continue with 1 step.
Sir,
Yes.
circle have na.
Yeah, circle.
Circle arrow mark.
Yeah.
First one, circle arrow mark have.
Yeah, circle arrow mark. In the first figure to second figure, 2 steps are moving, and second to third, 1 step. And
Sir,
from,
just
come again.
sir, circle arrow mark place have. Circle arrow mark second. First time to second time circle arrow mark place have na sir.
Yeah, they're changing 2 steps moving now. From circle from here to here, 2 steps moved clockwise direction.
Yes
From
sir.
second to third, 1 step moved. From third to fourth onwards, we were expecting 1 step to move. Himanshu,
Sir,
yes, what is your doubt?
sir, it means for Aditya, no, sir.
Yes.
Example, you take this one, no, sir. That
Which
line.
question? Which question? Third question.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You take example that one, no, sir.
Yeah.
Why don't we take another one, sir?
Whatever figure you take, northeast, southwest, they don't change. Directions will be always same. Circle is moving clockwise, and the other 2 lines are moving anti-clockwise. That's it. Okay. Nishika. Nishika, what is your doubt?
Sir, in fourth question the key is wrong, sir.
That's what I said already. Aditi, again raise your hand.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in the direction, sir, they said no change in direction, right? Sir, they didn't say right.
Fourth one, you're asking about third or fourth?
Sir, sir, no, sir. In the directions, they didn't give. Don't change the direction.
Directions are always same. Directions will never change. They will be always same. Karthik?
Sir,
Yes, Karthik.
in fourth question,
Yes.
circle and small circle arrow mark are rotating anti-clockwise. One step, no, sir.
Not anti-clockwise. They are moving clockwise. So you can see the circle from here to here. Clockwise 2 steps moved. Clockwise 1 step moved. So from here we expect it to move 1 step. If it moves 1 step, it will come here.
Sir, not telling the like, sir.
Okay.
In the circle, this circle moved 1 step, and this arrow mark moved 2 steps.
Arrow mark moved also 1 step from second position to third step. See, only one thing you remember. First figure to second figure, both circle and arrow mark moved 2 steps. From second figure to third figure, it moved 1 step. Okay. Third to fourth, we expect to move 1 step again. So answer will be C. Next question. Okay, seventh question. Look at the seventh question. So observe the figures carefully. The main diagram is same in the series, but outer part moves in anti-clockwise direction step by step, and it will be different than the previous figure. So main diagram is always same, but what is happening? The outer part moves anti-clockwise direction step by step. Okay, let us observe this. So whatever this figure is there, it is same, it is not changing. Okay, but you observe this, how many lines are there? One line, and it is moving. What is the position? Anti-clockwise. So from here, south it went to east, from east it went to north. Next direction we expect it to be in the west. So option A, it is not there in the west. Option C, not there in the west. B and D are left, but in that which one is correct we identify. But we identify the direction. Now let's count the number of lines. One line, two lines, three lines. Next we expect it to be having four lines. So four lines are there in option D. So B is also eliminated. D is correct. Okay, seventh one, the answer is D. Seventh one, D. Next question. Look at the figure. So there are in two orientations the lines are given. In the diagram, number of lines are increasing in one pattern and decreasing in the other pattern. So let's count the number of lines here. So let us say these lines are connecting northeast to southwest. Okay, these lines are connecting northwest to southeast. Okay, first let us take this set of lines, the lines which are connecting northeast and southwest. So how many lines are there here? In the first set, two lines are there. In the second set we have four lines. In the third set we have four lines. Okay, so what is happening here? Actually, there is a mistake in the figure. We will go with E for this question. Why? Because here they have to mention three lines. In the second figure, they have to give three lines, but they give four lines. That might cause the confusion. But anyhow, so you imagine this line is not there. Okay. So now everything will work smoothly. That is two lines, three lines, and four lines. So next we expect five lines. So five lines are available in A, but B it is six, and C eliminated, D eliminated. Only one left is A. So A will be correct answer, but we will go with option E because the line is missing in the question. And let us look at the other direction. That is the lines which are connecting northwest and southeast. So here how many lines are there? Four. And next three. And next two. So they are decreasing. So next we expect one. So it is correctly available in A. But because of this extra line we got, so the question became wrong and we go with E for this. Eighth one is E. And ninth one. Look at ninth question. So there is a triangle, there is a quadrilateral, and there is a pentagon. So the number of sides are increasing. So what is happening here? First, let us look at the main figure. Here it is triangle, three sides. Here it is quadrilateral, four sides. Pentagon, five sides. We expect to have a hexagon. So hexagons are available in A, B, C. So D, there is no hexagon. So D we can eliminate. And what is happening at the corners? Okay. So let us look at this. Here they're having one pattern. So that pattern went towards from north to east and east to south. From south to now we expect it to go west. So the west pattern is available in A. B it is there in east. So eliminated. C it is there in north, eliminated. So only A is left. Okay. So answer is A. Correct answer is A. So what is the pattern in ninth question? One side is increasing and the shape at the corner is moving clockwise every step. And next, 10th one, look at the figure. In series, each subsequent figure, the main design is moved by 90 degrees anti-clockwise. The cross mark and the circle are replacing each other every time. That means cross mark is going to the circle and circle is going to the cross mark place. Size of the lines is changed every time. So figure is D is correct. Okay, size of the lines are also changing every time. So that is a pattern we observed. First of all, the figure is rotating 90 degrees anti-clockwise. You rotate this figure 90 degrees anti-clockwise like this in this direction. So you get the second figure. And main figure I'm talking about, I'm not talking about the cross marks and circles. The main figure, if you rotate it 90 degrees anti-clockwise, you will get this. And from here, again 90 degrees anti-clockwise, we may get A, we don't get B, we don't get C, and we may get D. So in A and D, one of the options is correct. Now let us concentrate on the cross mark and circle. Two cross marks, one circle. Two circles, one cross mark. Two cross marks, one circle. So next option, we expect two circles and one cross mark. It is there in option D. So A is eliminated and we got the answer D. So any doubts in these questions, you can raise a hand. Adit, what is your doubt? Adit?
Sir, I did not understand 10th question.
10th question, main figure, you move 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. So you'll get the second figure.
Yes, sir.
And this one, you rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. You'll get third figure.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, third figure, you rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction. Either you get A or you get D, right?
Yes.
But in A and D, how to choose the correct answer? How many cross marks are there?
Sir, 2.
How many circles are there?
1.
So two cross marks, one circle. Next time, two circles, one cross mark. Next time, two cross marks, one circle. So next, what do you expect?
Sir, 2 circles, 1 cross
One.
mark.
Option D is correct, right? Yes, Adit?
Yes, sir.
Lokesh? Lokesh?
Sir, I not understand 9th question.
Ninth question, let us discuss once again. Okay. In triangle, how many sides are there, Lokesh?
3.
Say?
Sir, 3 sides.
3. In quadrilateral, how many sides we have?
4 sides.
In pentagon, we have? How many?
5 sides.
So the number of sides are increasing 1, 1, right?
5.
So the next step, it's going to be 6 sides. 6 sides is hexagon. Either A may be correct, B may be correct, C may be correct, but D is wrong because in D there are no 6 sides, right? Yes, Lokesh? D is eliminated.
Yes, sir.
Now let us observe this pattern. Which direction it is? North, east, west, south.
Sir, north.
Now,
East.
now,
South.
next direction. What do you expect?
West.
West. So it is only west is available in option A. A is correct. Okay.
Okay.
Satvik?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you check the seventh one? It's like also the middle point in the question is option D only.
Middle point in the question is D.
Yes,
Yeah, you
sir.
can take like that also because every time the figure is not changing. Only the figure is not changed in option D. You can take like that. No problem.
Okay.
Harshanandit? Harshanandit?
Sir, I
Yes.
don't understand seventh question.
Seventh question. Seventh question, the main figure is as it is. But here, this extra part is there, no? It is moving one step anti-clockwise every time. One step anti-clockwise, one step anti-clockwise, one step anti-clockwise. So next, the figure should go to west. And in that shape, one line is increasing. One became two, two became three, and we want 4 lines. That is there in option D. Okay. Aditi?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I didn't understand eighth question.
In eighth question, there are,
Eighth.
yeah, eighth question. There are 4 lines. There are 3 lines. There are 2 lines. One line is decreasing here.
Yes, sir.
but here there are 2 lines. We expect only 3 lines here, but 4 lines given. That is a mistake in the question. That's why we went to E. But suppose if this line is not given, then everything will be correct. Okay?
Okay, sir.
We'll go with the next set of questions. Now, part 2. Directions for this part 2 from 11 to 20 questions. There is a problem figure on the left of the question, and on the right side there are 4 answer figures A, B, C, D. Find out the figure which is exactly similar with the problem figure. So this is similarity based question. So very simple questions. Just by looking at the figure we can identify. So which figure exactly matches the problem figure? That is option C. Next, 12 and 13. So 12 and 13 similarity based. Yes, by just looking at that we can check option A is correct. 13th one, 13th one, option B is correct. Everything you have to take care, whether the circle is darkened or not, where is the position of these two, everything you have to take care. Then you'll get option B. The next set of questions you'll take. Fourteenth one, option C, exactly similar option C. And 15th one, exactly similar option D. Next questions. So you want exactly similar. It's there in option C. And 17th one, option A is wrong. Why? Because this is not matching. So you can go by elimination method. Option B, yes, option B may be correct. But C, if I check, C is wrong because this part is not matching. D also wrong because this extra part is there, here it is not there. So after eliminating the other options, D is correct. Eighteenth one, yeah, option A may be correct, but B is wrong. See, the space is very small compared to the question figure. C is wrong. And D, also the spacing is not correct. Only the spacing is correct in option A. We just look at the spaces. How much space is there? Exactly similar figure we identify option A. 19th one, D is eliminated because in north we have a triangle, we want square. And A is eliminated because in east we want a rhombus shaped one, but triangle is there. And option B is eliminated because we expect a circle here because triangle is there, and only remaining one is C. So let us look at C, it is correct or not. Yes. So last question in this. Option B is wrong because the center part is not matching from the figure. This is eliminated. Option C is wrong because this part is empty here. And option D, option A and option D. Option A we can also eliminate because the center part there is a line, but in the question figure there is no line. So exactly matching one, option D. So any doubts in this section, you can raise a hand. I don't think so any doubts because just identifying the similarity. Vedashree, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
17th question, that is E, no, sir?
17th question, what do you expect?
Sir, I expect E, sir. Why? Because that S is matching to the line.
No, when most appropriate answer is there, you have to choose B only. Almost it is same. Okay, don't go for E directly. When the question is clearly wrong, then you can go for E. Vilochan.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in fourth question that is era, sir.
14th one.
Fourth.
Fourth, you went too long back. What
Sir,
was?
that pattern wrong, na, sir.
No, you're asking about 14th or 4th?
Fourth.
4th we'll discuss later in the institute. Himanshu?
Sir,
Yes.
I have doubt at 20 questions, sir.
20, what is your doubt?
Sir, there is some different option, similar option D and question figure.
Question figure and option D are exactly matching. Only size is small, that's it. But remaining all are wrong. In which part they are wrong also I have circled, right?
Yes, sir.
Sharath? Sharath? Sharath, what is your doubt? You're not audible. Yes, tell me.
Sir,
Sharath,
sir, your voice is stucking.
leave the class and join again. Daksh? Sorry, Rutvik?
Sir, 20 question I have doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, option D, middle one is కొంచెం
No, that's what I said to Vedashree also. When a little adjustment is there, but most appropriate one you have to choose. Why A, B, C are wrong in which region I told you. But this shape is same. Okay. Maybe printing here and there, a little here and there will be there. But almost same. Most appropriate one is option D. Okay. Shrihita. Shrihita. Yes.
Sir, can you explain 19th one?
19th one, you see exactly matching figure is C in all the directions. Square, square, rhombus, rhombus, triangle, triangle, circle, circle. That's it. Everything is matching.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next set of questions from part 3. First, let us read the directions. From 21 to 30, we have to follow the directions. In each of the questions from 21 to 30, problem figure is given to the left side of the line. A portion of this figure is missing. Study the answer figures A, B, C, D given to the right of the line. Identify the figure out of the answer figures which may fit into the vacant portion. of the problem figure so as to complete this pattern. So this is called pattern completion. So let us take the first question, pattern completion. Yes, every arrow mark is going towards its corner. Like we expect in the question mark region where the corner should point. The corner should point towards southeast. So in southeast direction, where is it pointing? A may be correct. B is long way towards the corner, so it is eliminated. C may be correct and D may be correct, but only direction we have taken care. And now we have to take the other things. So there is a square is ready to get filled. So in order to get the square filled, we want this part. This part is there in only C. So C is correct. So you can see everything is matching with C. 21C. We'll take the next questions. Yes, 22. 22, you look at the pattern carefully. So what is happening here? You observe this part and this part, they are mirror images of each other when you place a mirror here. On the dotted line, when you place a mirror, they are mirror images of each other. Similarly, the other part also we can take the mirror image of northeast part. So just place a mirror here and find the mirror reflection of this mirror image. So you'll be getting option. What will you get? Option A you will get, right? Option A is the correct answer. And 23 also I think same, but it's not the mirror image. You observe these and these figures. So this arrow mark and this arrow mark symmetrically placed, this arrow mark and this arrow mark are symmetrically placed, but their directions are different. Similarly for these two also, for this we expect it to be in the other direction. For this we expect it to be in the other direction, and this will come. So 23, which option is correct? It is option D. So option D is correct. So any doubt still here can raise a hand. Up to 23rd question. Aditi. Aditi.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 20 meters, how it will be? See?
You are saying 21st.
Yes, sir.
21st, very simple. Try to fill the figure. This part, this part, this part, and arrow mark. That's it. Where is there? Option C, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, another doubt.
Yes.
Sir, 23rd one.
23rd one, this arrow mark is when going cross and in the opposite direction. This arrow mark
Sir,
is going cross and in the opposite direction, right? Similarly, the same thing we have to do.
sir, this one, right?
Come again?
Sir, you're explaining this and this same,
Yes.
right? Sir, this and this are same, right, sir?
Yeah, you can also remember like that. Same side you can go in same direction. Same side you can go in same direction. Same logic applies to the other two pair also. Adit. Adit. Adit, what is your doubt? Adit, you are not audible. Sharat. Sharat.
Sir,
Yes. Sharat, what is your doubt?
sir,
Yes.
so the screen is not available to me.
Sharat,
So screen is not available to me.
Sharat, I think you have a internet connectivity problem on your side. Other students, they don't say the problem. So do one thing. You leave the class, switch on the airplane mode and switch it on again and try to connect. Only internet issue is there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll move to the next one. So we're done with 23. '24 and 25, let us take. So 24, as we can see, the opposite side figures are symmetrically placed. So these two must be symmetrically placed. So these two are symmetrically placed, and if you place this symmetrically, this line will come, and this is going to be there, and this is going to be there like this. So it's going to be option B matches the figure, option B. Yes. And 25. So this is very simple. So the circle is going towards the corner southeast. Yes. And it must be matching the other figures. It is there in option C. Very simple. Next 26th one onwards. '26th one. So in order to fill it, so we have to take care of everything. So these lines correctly matching in A, B, C, it's not matching properly. The D is matching. So C is eliminated because of this region, and C is eliminated because of that region. And in order to complete the circle, yeah, everything is filling the circle properly. And let's take this part. So we want this part to be like this. So option A, B, and D. D, the size is more than expectation, so it is D is eliminated. And this part, these two lines are not matching in the corner, but B is matching. So by taking care of all of them, option B is correct. And 27, we can go with option, yeah, these two are mirror images of each other. So the mirror image of this, we expect this, but A is wrong. A is eliminated because of this. And in order to complete the plus sign, plus symbol, you can go like this. So this part is there in option A, not there. B, C, it is there, but D is not mentioned properly. So it is D wrong. And what is the difference between B and C? In C, this is given as a straight line, but in the question it is not a straight line, it is a curve. So curve is available in B. So B is correct. Next, let's take 28 and 29. Yes, 28. So observe the figures carefully. So this arrow mark is pointing towards the center, pointing towards the center. So all the arrow marks are pointing towards the center. So pointing towards the center, and this arrow mark is not matching the, everything is pointing towards the same side, but this arrow mark is not matching the size because of the B is eliminated. And the other thing, A may be correct, but C and D, these lines are making D wrong. D will be eliminated because of those lines. And A and C, what is the difference between A and C? A and C are given almost same. Yes, actually, both of them are matching the answer. Yes, then we go with E for this because more than one answer is given correct. A and C both are matching here. And 29. Chidrupa, you do one thing. So whichever questions we are marking E, just note down in the book. 29. So these two are diagonally matching. So for diagonal matching, this will come here. So which of the options is correct? So option C, 29, option C. And 30. Yes, let's take it. Look at 30. You can go row wise. In row, circle, cross, triangle, all are there. In second row, circle, triangle, cross, all are there. But here, which is missing? Cross is missing. That is option C. So, any doubts in this section? You can raise a hand. Saurish? Saurish, what is your doubt?
Sir, 25th I didn't understand, sir.
25th. 25th, very simple, no? Same, similar type of figure. It is there in C in this direction. That's it.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Sahasra? Sahasra, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
28th question.
28th one. 28th one, yes, both A and C are correct. They are almost same. That's why more than one answer we kept E.
Sir, no, sir. Option A, there is a point.
Which point? This one. This is only stray mark. You can forget about that. Stray marks on the paper.
Okay, sir.
Sisira, Sisira.
Sir, 28th one option here a point ఉంది కదా.
This is actually stray mark on the paper. Okay. Both are same actually.
Okay, sir.
Nishika, Nishika.
Sir,
Yes.
I didn't understand 30 questions, sir.
But in every row, all shapes must be there. In this row, circle, cross, triangle. In this row, circle, cross, triangle. But in this row, which is missing? Cross is missing, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it. You can check column wise also. Like this also you can check. In this column, all are there. In this column, all are there. In this column, which is missing? Cross is missing.
Okay, sir.
Adit, 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 your doubt?
Sir, I did not understand 28 question.
28. Yeah, 28. Both A and C are correct because more than one answer correct. We kept E. So you can see both A and C are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Chidrupa,
Sir, sir, in 28th question they gave in key answer C, sir.
answer C. But I think this is straight out only. This is not a everything they are giving lines. Okay, as most of you are going with C, and let us take this into consideration and go for C. Okay.
Sir, but that is you said that is same dot no, sir.
Yes, what? That's what I said. But even you are saying that in key C is mentioned, right?
Yes, sir.
So the only difference between A and C is that mark. So we'll go with C. You can go. Vilochan. Vilochan.
Sir,
Yes, Vilochan.
sir, you tell that is printing mistake, na?
So in the exam I didn't mention, so you have to consider everything. Next, part 4. Yes, 31 to 40. Four figures ABCD have been given in each question. Out of these four figures, three figures are similar in some way and one figure is different. Select the figure which is different. So this is odd one out. So we have to identify what is the odd one out. In figure D, the diagram have only one line in it, but the remaining you can check how many lines are mentioned. Okay. So circle is a figure. Inside the circle we have three lines. Triangle is a figure. Inside the triangle we have three lines. Rectangle is a figure. Inside that we have three lines. But in this triangle we have only one line. Okay, that is option D is odd one out. Next. Yes, this one. 32. In figure B diagram, because it is not closed shape. So this is closed, 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 and it is open. So this is B is odd one out. And 33. In figure C, the direction of arrows are opposite to each other, whereas other figures have arrows in the same direction. So just take care of the arrows. Same direction, same direction, same direction. But in option C, they are in different direction. Option C is odd one out. So from 34, yes, 34. Except figure D, in all other figures, design having an intersection of two curves, but figure D is a perfect circle. So the curves are intersecting here, the curves are intersecting here, the curves are intersecting here. So we discussed in geometry about the two types of curves. Curve which intersecting itself is called complex curve. So this is complex, this is complex, this is complex, but this is simple curve. Simple curve means which does not cross over itself. So option D is the odd one out. 35. In figure A, C and D, there are two parallel lines drawn horizontally, but in figure B, they are vertical. So you can see these two lines, this one and this one, are horizontal, 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 but these two lines are vertical. So option B is the odd one out. Next. (36) and 37. 36th one. Black shaded part is alternative in figure B, but in other figures it is different. So you can see this shape like this. You can see this shape like this, the shaded one. You can see this shape like this, but it is different in option B. You can see that. Okay. So option B, the shaded one, the shape is different. And 37, except figure D, all others have the inner design. but option D, it's not having. Same. So triangle, triangle, same. Pentagon, pentagon, same. Trapezium, trapezium, same. But in option D, the outer figure is a square and the inner figure is a triangle, different. So option D is the odd one out. (38) and 39. 38. Except figure B, the straight lines are one less than the inclined lines. Inclined lines, how many are there? Two. Straight lines, how many are there? Straight means you take horizontal. So one less than the inclined lines. So in option C, inclined lines are 4, horizontal lines are 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Inclined lines are 3, horizontal lines are 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. But only in option B, they are not different. Okay, option B is odd one out. And 39, except figure B, one outer line of inner design is omitted, but in figure B, have two outer lines are omitted. So you can see how many outer lines are omitted here? One, here also one, here also one. But here two outer lines are omitted, option B. Last question in this section. Except figure A, the inner design in the figure is actually same. This part, this part, this part. If you take care of that, the option A is different. So A. So doubts in this section, you can raise a hand. Tanush. Tanush.
Sir,
Yes. What is your doubt?
sir,
Yes.
sir, 31 question. In
31.
option, it is a circle.
31 you are asking?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what you're saying?
Sir, in option A, it is a
Yes.
circle.
But here it is rectangle also.
Yes,
If all are triangle, one is circle, you can choose the odd one out. One rectangle also there. Actually, the pattern is inside the figure, three lines are there, three lines are there, three lines are there, and here only one line is there. That is the odd one out. Vedashree, Vedashree, what is your doubt?
28 question E or C?
38. 38 is B.
Sir, 28.
28. 28 when I gave choice again. We will discuss in the institute 28. Nishika. Nishika, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
did it understand 40 questions, sir?
40. All the inner designs are same. This is same. This is same. This is same. But in option A, it is different, right?
Yes, sir.
Vihan. Vihan.
Sir, 39 question and I do not understand, sir.
39. How many outer lines are missing in option A?
Sir, 1.
Here, C,
1.
D.
1.
But option B, 2 are missing, right?
Yes, sir.
Shivash.
Sir,
Yes.
I don't understand 36.
36. 36, I have drawn the shape also, no? The shaded one shape you can see. In option A, C, D, they're same shape. But in option B, the shape is different, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why it is odd one out. Pranav. Pranav, what is your doubt?
Sir, 39 is D, na?
39, why it is D? You think all are squares and this is triangle, but this is not a square, it is pentagon, 5 sides. Actually, the reason is One outer line is missing in option A. Option C also, option D also, one outer line is missing. But option B, two outer lines are missing. That's why B is odd one out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Himanshu, Himanshu, Shrihita, Shrihita, what is your doubt?
Sir, my father is waiting for me. Can I leave?
Yeah, you can leave. Aditi, Aditi,
Sir,
yes.
sir, 39th one in solution it shows option A.
39 solution option A. That is wrong. B is correct.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Next, we'll start with part 5. First, let us read the directions from part 5. Part 5, from 41 to 45 questions. There is a sign of question mark after 3 problem figures for 4th figure. There is a relation in some respect between first 2 problem figures. The same relation should also be adopted between 3rd and 4th problem figures. Find out the answer figure from the given 4 figures. That answer should be rightly resembled by selecting the right answer. This is analogy based question. So 4 figures will be given. In that, 4th one will be missing. So first 2 we have to identify the relation. Same relation we have to apply on 3rd and 4th to get the 4th figure. So analogy, this is called analogy. That means we have to analyze the relationship between the first and second. Yes, 41. Let's discuss 41. First 2 figures you can identify, they are the mirror images of each other. So this is the mirror image of this. So similarly, the mirror image of this we should find. So it is there in option C. Option C is the mirror image of that. And 42. 42. What is happening? The arrows are moving one step clockwise or anti-clockwise, they are moving. So in this circle also, if you move, they will become straight. That means actually they are inclined, they'll become horizontal and vertical, and it should be a circle. So these arrow marks are rotated. So if you rotate these arrow marks, it will become option D. D is correct. And 43rd one, there is a diagonal in the first figure and there are 2 diagonals in the second. For this reason, so we'll choose, and 2 diagonals we have to get. One diagonal is becoming 2 diagonals, and here in the hexagon, one diagonal should become 2 diagonals. It's there in option B and D. Both are having 2 diagonals, but the pattern of the diagonals shown in this figure, if you go with the same orientation, it is there in option B. And 44 onwards. '44 and 45. So this is simple. These 2 curves are just changing their direction and became this. So this one they have to change the directions, and it should be option A is correct. And 45th one. What is happening in 45th one? So first it is divided into 2 shapes. So and they kept side by side. And here the rhombus is broken into 2 pieces. The 2 triangles are kept, and the circle is broken into 2 pieces. Those 2 semicircles are there. And one more thing, you have to observe that the bottom side is pointing up now. So both parts should point up. So both parts are pointing up. It is there in C. But in all the other options, one is pointing up, another is pointing down. So in this section, you have any doubts, you can raise a hand. Vihan?
Sir, 42 question.
Yes, 42. Just the arrow marks are just
Sir,
rotated. Yes.
sir, I understand this one, sir. Why we do not answer the B?
You observe there is a open circle here, but is there any open circle here?
No, sir.
You're only concentrating on the arrows. You should concentrate on every part of the figure.
Okay, sir.
Sahasra. Sahasra.
Sir, I did at 45.
45. 45. The rhombus is broken into two pieces and they arranged in such a way that both of them are pointing up, pointing up. So circle also broken into two pieces. Both are pointing up. It is there in option C. Adit. Adit.
Sir, I did not understand 45 question.
Same thing I told already. The rhombus is broken into two pieces and we got two triangles. Both are pointing up. So circle also should be broken into two pieces and both are pointing up in option C. Himanshu.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, circle is broken into two pieces.
Each one is called a semicircle
Yes,
and both
sir.
of them should be pointing up.
Yes, sir.
You tell me
Rhombus.
one thing. You tell me one thing. The rhombus is divided into two parts, one part and second part. This is kept as it is or rotated to point up.
Rotate to point up.
Yeah, the same thing will happen to the semicircle also for circle. So the
Sir,
semicircle will become 1 and 2. This will be rotated. That means both of them should be pointing up. It is there in option C. Okay?
sir, but there is triangles side by side, no, sir.
Yeah, side by side. But where, in which manner you are arranging them, it doesn't matter because side by side arrangement is not there in the options. Suppose if it is there, we choose that option more than C. In the given options, most appropriate one we have to choose.
Okay, sir.
Shivansh?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is meaning of diagonal?
Diagonal means it is a line joining non-adjacent vertices.
Okay, sir.
Nishika? Nishika?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I didn't understand 43 questions, sir.
43, one diagonal became two diagonals, and the similar pattern of diagonals are there in option B. Okay, part 6. Directions from 46 to 50. One part of a square is on the left hand side, and the other one is among the four figures marked A, B, C, D on the right hand side. Find figure on the right hand side that complete the square. So, which figure is matching here to complete the square? Option A does not fit. Option B, yeah, it may fit. Let us take it later. And option D is wrong. Clearly, option A is wrong and option D is wrong. So between B and C, what it should be matching? Yes, option B is matching, but before you arrange, you make it into one piece, you have to rotate B like this. You have to rotate B like this and you have to attach. So option B is correct. We'll take the next set of questions in this. It's 47 to 49 now. 47th one. Which figure is matching? So take care of the other part. Option A is not matching. Option B may be correct. Option C wrong. Option D is wrong. The best one is option B. So you can see the pattern is matching here. This pattern is there in option B. And 48, option A may be correct. B definitely wrong. Wrong pattern. Option C is wrong. Option D also wrong. The best one is option A. 49, option A, definitely it won't match. Option B, it may match on rotation. Option C, definitely not matching and does not fit into the question figure. Option D is definitely does not fit into the given figure. Option B fits, but before you attach them, you have to rotate this figure like this and you have to attach. Option B is correct. Last question in intelligence. Yes, this one. Option A. To complete the square, these two sides are not parallel first of all, and the size of this part is also not matching. A is eliminated. B does not fit. C may be correct and D may be correct. But how to choose between C and D? So to choose between C and D, you can concentrate on these widths, this width and this width. C is matching, but D is somewhat smaller in size, so it does not match. So we're going with option C and D is not. So doubts in this section. After that, we'll start English. Adit,
Sir, screen was did not visible to me.
which one is not visible? Screen is not visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Leave the class and join again. Aditi,
Sir,
yes.
sir, 46 one in the directions they didn't rotate, sir.
Option B, you have to rotate and attach. Then
Sir, I have one more doubt.
you will come here. Yes, tell me.
Sir, 47. Sir,
Tell me.
you said 47 option B, right? The
Yes.
triangle is so size is big, right?
What
In
I
the
said,
question.
in all the given options, most appropriate you choose. But if the similar type of figures both are available, then you can concentrate on the size. Here it is triangle and this is triangle. The most appropriate one is triangle only. Rutvik, Rutvik,
Sir, I don't understand 47, sir.
why you don't understand? It does not fit there.
Sir,
That's what I am telling you. I was telling to Aditi also. See, whenever same shaped figures are both available, two options or three options are available, then you can take care of the size. But here only one option is matching with the shape. When shape is matched and size, there is no competition, then you can go for option B. Shivansh, 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 you are not audible. Adit, Adit,
Sir, 46 question option E, no, sir.
why E? You have to rotate and match. It will match there. See, the circle pattern is matching. Circle pattern and this line, is it matching here? Circle line and this part to match here. It everything is correct. Only thing is you have to do is you have to rotate that figure and attach. Vishwajit,
sir,
yes.
46 Dina.
D is wrong. How D will match? You can see very irregular compared to the question figure. Karthik,
Sir,
yes.
Sir, I didn't understand. 47 question.
Why? 47, the triangle and the rectangle part is matching the question figure, right? In the given options, the most appropriate one is B. Nishant, Nishant, what is your doubt? Nishant, okay, we'll start English. So, language test. So, language. First, we'll go with passage 1. Okay. Passage 1. First, we'll understand the passage, then we'll go to the questions. It was a flowering mustard field, pale like melting gold, as it swept across miles and miles of even land. So, flowering mustard field, that means it is a stage, a flowering stage. Mustard field is there. Pale like melting gold, that's they are mentioning about the color, as it swept across miles and miles of even land. So, very big area, the mustard field is there. A group of dragonflies were bustling about on their gaudy purple wings, intercepting the flight of a lone black bee or butterfly in search of sweetness from the flowers. The child followed them in the air with his gaze. So, a group of dragonflies were bustling about on their gaudy purple wings. So they're mentioning about the color of their wings purple and dragonflies. So many a group of dragonflies is coming there, intersecting the flight of a lone black bee or butterfly in search of sweetness from the flowers. So in order to get the nectar out of flowers, they want fruit juices, sweet juices from the flowers. So for sweetness, they are in search of that. The child followed them in the air with his gaze. So he's gazing. That means he's wondering how they are flying and what. So they are looking at them and he's following the child. Till one of them would still its wings and rest, and he would try to catch it. So he's trying to catch one of them, but it would go fluttering, flapping up into the air. So he's not able to catch it because it is moving here and there in random way, fluttering, flapping, and up go in the air. When he had almost caught it in his hands, so he's about to catch, it is escaping, okay, by moving in a random way. Then his mother gave a cautionary call, come child, come onto the footpath. So the mother gave a cautionary call, come onto the footpath. That is a cautionary call given by the mother. So let's see the questions. Okay, first let's see the 76th question. For every question, 4 probable answers in the letter option ABCD you have to choose. The mustard field looked like melting gold, shining silver, golden sun, silvery moon. I will underline for you. Okay, it's clearly mentioned in the passage melting gold. Option A. 77. The dragonflies were dancing in the air. No. Searching the flowers. No. Intercepting a lone black bee or butterfly. Yes. Sitting on the ground. No. So you can see that part. Intercepting the flight of a lone black bee, or you can say butterfly in search of sweetness from the flowers. Next questions. 78 to 80. 78th one. The child followed the butterflies, the black bees, the dragonflies, the ladybirds. As it is mentioned clearly in the passage, it is dragonflies. 79. The boy tried to catch when it was still, when it was flying, when it circled around, when it fell. When it was still, that means when it is stopping the movement, then it is trying to catch when it was still. 80. His mother asked him to come to the road, the field, the shop, the footpath. The footpath, it is mentioned clearly in the passage, the last line, footpath. Okay. So, doubts in this passage, you can raise a hand. We'll discuss. Jeevan, Jeevan.
Sir, mustard field means?
Mustard, it is a crop.
Okay.
Next, who is that? Mustard in Telugu, I think we say aval. Vilochan.
Sir, intercepting means?
Intercepting means, see, intercept means when coming across in your direction. So the group of dragonflies are going, no? They're intercepting the flight of a lone black bee. So black bee or butterfly.
Sir, one more doubt.
Yes.
Sir, 78, sir, the child followed the black bees also, no, sir?
No, the dragonflies.
Sir, where is it?
The black bees are intercepting the flight of the dragonflies, but the child follows the dragonfly. Sharath? Sharath?
Sir,
Sharath, what is your doubt?
sir, cautionary call means?
Cautionary call means suppose when somebody is in danger, then they will tell them that there is a danger in front, then you take care of yourself. That is giving caution.
Okay, sir.
Adit? Adit?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what is the meaning of flapping?
Flattering means fluttering means it is actually the uh, describing word about the motion. It's moving here and there. No butterfly. Butterfly will go in a straight path or random motion. Random motion. That is called fluttering, flapping, flapping the wings. Rutvik. Rutvik.
Sir, miles means?
Mile is a distance unit, like kilometer. 1 mile is approximately 1.6 kilometers. Sorry, Saurish,
Yes, sir.
what is your doubt?
Ghazi means?
Come again?
Sir, Ghazi.
Where is that? Gazing.
Yes, sir.
In which line it is there?
Sir,
In which line it is there? Saurish, in which line it is there?
sir, seventh.
Yeah, gaze. Gazing, it's gaze. Gazing means looking with interest, looking with interest.
Okay, sir.
He's gazing it means he's checking how they are moving and he want to know about them. Nishan Sai. Nishan Sai, what is your doubt?
Sir, pale means
Pale means light color. Vishwajit.
Sir,
Yes.
bustling means sir.
Come again.
Bustling.
For bustling about on their guard. Bustling means they are going very harshly. That means the wind and everything coming very fast with them.
Okay, sir.
Anjaneyulu. I'm sorry, this is Karthik, right? Yes, Karthik.
Sir, what is means footpath?
Footpath means suppose if you are going, you are walking on a road. Okay, so for those pedestrians means those who are walking on foot. For them, somewhat elevated path will be there only for pedestrians. So the mother is asking the child to come onto the footpath because if he is on the road, that may cause accident. That's why he's asking the mother is asking the child to come back onto the footpath. Okay, Sahasra. Sahasra, what is your doubt?
sir, what is the meaning of flapping?
Flapping means the wings they will flap to fly, right? Ramlikit, Ramlikit, what is your doubt? Yes, Ramlikit. Saurish,
Sir, mustard field means
Avalu.
okay.
Aditi, Aditi, what is your doubt? You're not audible. Tanush, Tanush,
Sir, what is the mean by cautionary?
come again.
Cautionary call.
Cautionary call. Cautionary means mentioning there is a danger ahead, so please come back, giving caution. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Cyber then. Cyber then, what is your doubt?
Sir, what is meaning of gauge?
Gazing means looking at, staring at them with interest, gazing. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chidrupa,
Yes, sir.
what's your doubt?
Sir, swept means
Swept means they spread across so much of area that is swept. Okay, we'll go with the next passage. Passage number 2. First, we'll read the passage, then we'll go to the questions. Yes, passage number 2. Santosh's parents were affluent landowners who could afford to send their children to the best schools, even to the country's capital, Delhi, which was quite close by. But in line with the prevailing custom in the family, Santosh had to make do with the local village school. So she decided to fight the system in her own quiet way when the right moment arrived. And the right moment came when she turned 16. At 16, most of the girls in her village used to get married. Santosh was also under pressure from her parents to do the same. So here Santosh, it is a girl name. Santosh's parents were affluent landowners who could afford to send their children to the best schools. So they are rich. Okay, landowners means they have very large areas of fields or lands. Okay, they are the landowners. They are very rich. Affluence means very. So could afford to send their children to the best schools, even to the country's capital, Delhi. So maybe this passage is from olden days. Then even to Delhi, so their higher amount of charges will be there for fee, tuition fee. Their capable of sending Santosh for education to Delhi, which was quite close by. So they are staying nearby Delhi, but in line with the prevailing custom in the family. So there is a prevailing custom. What is that prevailing custom? Santosh had to make do with the local village school. So even though they have the money to send uh, Santosh to Delhi for studying, but they are making Santosh to study in the local village school. Okay, why? Why? Because um, in the olden days, girls they won't send outside. Okay, in the early days they do marriage. Okay, they don't let the girl child to read higher studies. Okay, over higher studies. Santosh had to make do with the local village school, so she decided to fight the system in her own quiet way when the right moment arrived. So she was waiting for the right moment to fight against this old-fashioned system. Okay, and the right moment came when she turned 16. So when she is 16 years old, at 16, most of the girls in her village used to get married. So in their village at 16, they'll make the girls to marry someone and they will go to in-laws house. Santosh was also under pressure from her parents to do the same. So the Santosh parents are also asking Santosh to get married because she's already 16. So this much is the passage, and let us try to answer the questions. So nothing about her story is given, only this much. So about their studies, about their affordability to send Santosh to Delhi, and at which age they get married in their village. Only this information is given. Let's try to answer the questions. The parents of Santosh were the parents of Santosh were traders, landowners, shopkeepers, laborers. So it's clearly mentioned in the passage also. They are landowners. Okay, landowners. Next, 82. Santosh had to study in the local village school due to poverty, no. Rage, no. Prevailing custom, less distance. So it is local village due to prevailing custom. Okay, option C. And 83. Let's go back. So which was quite close by, but in line with the previous songs on the had to make. Yes, it is clearly mentioning that prevailing custom. And 83. The right moment for Santosh came when the her family shifted to the city. No, came to the age of 18, and her parents agreed, turned 16. So 83 it is when she turned 16. It's mentioned in the passage. And 84 and 85. What happened to the village girls at the age of 16 years? They used to get married, yes, and other options. They used to be sent to village school, no. They were sent to city schools, no. They came free to do anything, no. So when the girls in their village, when they turned 16, they were used to get married. Option A mentioned in the passage. So 85. Santosh's parents pressurized her to go to city school, get married, learn how to cook food, work in fields. So it is option B, get married, option B. So doubts in this passage can raise a hand. Very simple passage. Chidrupa,
Yes, sir.
yes, Chidrupa, what is your doubt?
Sir, in 82 and 83 question, in key they gave different other options, sir.
No, these are the correct answers according to the given passage. Even though wrong answers are given in the key, we are going to change them. Chidrupa, make a note of these questions also which are wrongly mentioned in the key.
Okay, sir.
Vihan,
What is the meaning of prevailing custom?
prevailing custom means it is like a custom. Custom means what you say. For example, if any festival is there, so we use all the traditions, right? Everything as it is. Like
Yes, sir.
like for different festivals, we follow different types of customs. So same
Yes,
in their village, when the girls turn 16, they used to get married. That is the custom in their village. Jeevan.
Sir, what is the meaning of afraid?
Afraid means getting feared. Himanshu,
Sir,
Himanshu, what is your doubt?
sir, I don't click with that, sir, by mistakenly.
Okay, no problem. All the doubts, I think it's cleared. So only two passages we discussed in English. So next class tomorrow, the passages in English and mathematics we try to complete. It's almost 8:20. So you'll start getting ready for the school. Okay, thank you for joining all of you. You may leave the class now. Leave your feedback in the comment section and you can leave the class.